warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's good to see you today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Uswatun Hasana, NIM 200231100128. I am from Development Economics Study Program. Before I share my presentation, I will ask you a question. Do you know what is poverty? Or have you ever heard about poverty? In this opportunity, I would like to present about increasing and reducing poverty in the economic field. In the next session, I will show you about understanding poverty. Poverty is a condition in which there is an inability to meet basic needs such as food, clothing, shelter, education, and health. Poverty can be caused by scarcity of means of fulfilling basic needs or the difficulty of access to education and employment. The poor are people who have an average every capita expenditure every month below the poverty line. Poverty as a measure of economic growth. One of the main indicators for the success of a country's economic growth can be seen from the poverty rate. Poverty is common in developing countries. The phenomenon of poverty is an old problem that is generally faced in almost all developing countries, especially in densely populated countries such as Indonesia. 6 factors that affect poverty levels of BPS versions. First, changes in the average wage of workers every day. Second, the farmer exchange rate or NTP has increased. Third, the low inflation rate in general. Fourth, in terms of composition. 5. The average every capita expenditure in Decile 1 increased. 6. An increase in the quota of recipients of the Non-Cash Food Assistance Program or BPNT. For example, based on Table 1, it can be seen that the number of poor people in rural areas is higher than poor in urban areas. This is because inflation in village is higher than in urban areas. One of the causes of high inflation in rural areas is high because rural residents consume more products from the city, even purchasing goods at retail, causing prices to be expensive and triggering higher inflation than in urban areas. For the example 2, from Graph 1, it can be seen that the poverty rate in big cities such as Malang and Surabaya is quite low, which is below 6%, which when compared to the average poverty rate in East Java is quite far, when the average poverty rate in East Java is 12%. In contrast to the poverty rate in big cities, the poverty rate in Lamongan Regency is quite high, namely 15%, when compared to the average poverty rates in the provinces of East Java and Malang and Surabaya. The main factor that causes high poverty is the Low Human Development Index or APM. APM can be measured from the level of health, level of education, and income. The low level of education, which is also an APM, results in a lack of skilled labor, which causes unemployment, which leads to a high poverty rate in Lamongan Regency compared to the average poverty rates in the provinces of East Java and the cities of Malang and Surabaya. Thanks for listening for my presentation. If you have any question, you can write on comment. In conclusion, poverty is an economic factor that definitely exists, especially in developing countries like Indonesia. And the solution to overcome is to create a program in an effort to reduce poverty in an area. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.